Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to be talking about our new online consultation platform, which is MyOPD Online. So go to the Google search and write MyOPD Online. As you can see in Google, MyOPD is appear in top. You can select. As you can see, MyOPD Online dashboard is appear in your window. So let's begin with doctor panel. First you have to register yourself as a doctor. I already registered myself, so I go directly login. You can log in with your number and you can log in with your username as well. I log in as my username. Sign in. My dashboard is appear. As you can see in this dashboard, you can edit your profile, view your profile, you can see your appointments, you can update your schedule, you can provide your bank details, and you can check your mic and camera as well. First you can see this your today appointments. No appointments due today. As you can see, 0 appointments. Your total appointments, 39 appointments done. Your total money earned and your total pending amount is due, all mentioned. So first I am telling how to edit and update your profile. So let's move on to next option, which is view profile option. In this you can view your updated profile. Click on view profile. In this you can view your profile which you set according to yourself. In this you can see your timing schedule with timing Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, your consultation time, and you can see the description first, specialties, languages, hospital, clinic name, work history, field of interest, what service you can offer, all see. As you are seeing your profile file, patients are also see your profile like this. You can see your consultation fee as I write 1000 PKR. 1000 PKR is here, and you can see the rating as well, your rating. Okay, so click on edit profile. In this you can see you can update and edit your personal information and professional information. In personal information you can edit and update your name, your email address, your phone number, your date of birth, landline number, hospital landline number, and you can write your address as well. So first you need to update your personal information. Secondly, you can update your professional information. In professional information you can set your consultation fees as a default, as I write 1000 PKR, and you can select time zone according to yours, as I select default Karachi. You can select and write multi specialties, like which field your specialization is in. Like for example, you are a cardiologist specialist, diabetes, ENT surgeon. You can select multiple. As you can see, you can select appointment type, audio call, online video calling, and you can set your language as well. If you speak more than one language, you can write more than that. As I write English and Urdu, you can write Hindi, Punjabi, Sindhi, as you wish to. You write your hospital clinic name, like for example you are in Indus Hospital, so I write Indus, you write Indus, and many more. You can write Aga Khan as well, Dao, I write Indus. Introduction about doctor. In this you can introduce yourself, what specialties you are in, specialties and your role. Secondly, field of interest. You write your field of interest. As I write cardiologist, you can write more than one, multiple, like ENT surgeon and many more, child specialist. And lastly, you can write your services, offer what kind of services you can offer, like for example I write international performance, advanced cardiac procedures, you do surgeries, like for example anything you write. Lastly, work history. You can write your organization name which you are working from since whatever time period you mention, designation and time, year, how much experience you are in, year experience. You can provide your graduation details, like you done MBBS. You can attach your certificates, degree. In this you can attach your certificate and degree, and you can provide date, mention date, start or ending date, your graduation, fellowship details, fellowship and upload your certificates, start from, end from, date mention. Post, if you done post fellowship, you can write and you can upload your certificate as well, and mention year, in which year you can done your post fellowship, and update. As you can see, I updated my edit, update and edit personal and professional information.